In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides portrait. If you're preparing a handout, a poster, or a document-style deck, switching from the default landscape layout to portrait gives you more vertical room and a cleaner reading flow. I'll walk you through it in a few simple clicks and share a couple of tips so your content stays looking great. Start by opening Google Slides in your web browser. The quickest way is to go to slides.google.com. On the home screen, find the presentation you want to change and click it to open. You can do this with any existing deck. The process is the same. With your presentation open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. A long menu will drop down. Toward the lower portion of that menu, choose Page Setup. This is where Google Slides controls the overall slide size for the entire deck. A small page setup window will appear. By default, you'll probably see widescreen selected. Open that drop down and choose Custom. Custom lets you set exact dimensions, which is how we create a portrait layout. Now enter portrait dimensions by making the height larger than the width. For example, for a standard US letter page, type 8.5 for width and 11 for height, and keep the unit set to inches. If you prefer A4, set the width to 21 and the height to 29.7, then switch the unit to centimeters. The first box is width, the second is height. So think narrower first, taller second. The exact numbers are up to you. The key is that the height is greater than the width. When your dimensions look right, click Apply. Google Slides will immediately resize the canvas for every slide in the deck. Don't worry if some text or images seem slightly off after the change. That's normal because the aspect ratio has changed. Take a quick look at a few slides to make sure nothing important is cut off and nudge items into place if needed. Background images may need to be resized to fill the new vertical space, and wide charts may benefit from stacking elements vertically instead of side by side. That's all it takes. Open your deck, go to File, choose Page Setup, switch to Custom, enter Portrait Dimensions, and hit Apply. Slides saves automatically, so your portrait layout is set across the entire presentation.